Hi, welcome or welcome back to Then We Eat. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to prepare, cook, and eat a spaghetti squash. So the first thing we want to do is we want to cut it in half lengthwise. Be very careful. Okay, so my squash is cut, not quite in half. I was a little off there. So the next thing we want to do is we want to clean out all the seeds. I've got a bowl off to the side for the seeds. So you're just going to use a spoon and you're just going to scoop it out like you would a pumpkin. So there's the first one scooped out. Let's work on the second half. So there we go, our squash is cleaned out, all the seeds and all the innards are gone. Okay, so now we're just going to spritz it with some oil. This is vegetable oil. If you want to use olive oil, you're welcome to do so. And then we're just going to sprinkle some salt and pepper over the top. And a little pepper. So that's what it looks like on the inside. Now we're going to take our squash, we're going to turn it upside down. Put it on the pan with the flush side down. Flush side down. Now we're going to bake this in a 400-degree oven for 40 minutes. I already have my oven preheated, so we'll be back when the squash is cooked. So our spaghetti squash is almost cooked. We're just going to let it sit in the oven for a few more minutes, and in the meantime, let's heat up some sauce. As you can see, the induction is out. We're going to turn it on. And to our pot, we're going to add some bottled spaghetti sauce. I know, I was lazy. I should have made some. But I didn't have time, so in the meantime, we're just going to add some store-bought. So in the pot it goes. And we're just going to heat it until it's hot. Now my induction is on pretty low. You don't want it on super hot. You just want to slowly heat it. So just be patient. While everything's cooking, we'll just take this opportunity to thank you very much for watching the video. Hit the like button if you like what you saw. Share with all your friends. Hit the notification bell, let you know when we upload a new video. And don't forget to share it. And comment down below. Did you like the video? Or better yet, what would you like to see us make next? So our sauce is heated through. You can see the steam coming off of it. I'm going to turn it off and put it aside because our squash is ready to shred. So I'm just going to pull the spaghetti squash out of the oven and be right back. So there's our squash out of the oven. Now it's time to shred it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to flip it over. Whoa, look at that. That looks great. So with a couple of forks, you're just going to shred it long ways and make it into like spaghetti strands. So it actually shreds a little better if you go from the outside to the inside rather than trying to do it lengthwise. And I'm just going to get an oven mitt and we'll dump that into a bowl. Actually, maybe my tongs will work. I'm just going to clean this one up. I'll shred the other one and we'll be right back. So we've got all the squash shredded and that's what it looks like. So it does look like spaghetti, little shreds of spaghetti. So now we're just going to put some on a plate. And to our plate, we're going to add a little bit of the sauce that we've heated up. A little sprig of parsley. And just a hint of some Parmesan cheese. And there we go. So let's give it a taste. It does taste like spaghetti. And you get the flavor from the sauce and the parsley. And that spaghetti squash is quite good. I would recommend trying this. So that pretty much does it for this video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, first we cook, then we eat.